Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens glass on the Samsung Galaxy A42 5G mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup. And then insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. There are few different replacement parts are available for this repair. You can select the camera lens with the frame or camera lens without the frame, or back cover with the camera lens installed. Take out the back cover and then apply heat to the camera lens area from the front. Next, take out the broken lens by applying force from the rear side of the lens area. If your lens has many cracks, gently take out pieces. Next, clean the surface and then place the new camera lens with the adhesive. Next, you can take out the lens with the frame. Apply heat to the lens area from the rear side. And then push from the front side to take out the lens with the frame. Next, place the new camera lens with the frame by applying glue. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie the rear car with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.